Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert here. In this video, we're going to convert units. Let's look at this first problem. How many feet are there in 3 miles? Well, so we have 3 miles, okay, and we have to multiply this by some kind of conversion factor, okay? So I'm going to multiply this times, well, there's 1 mile per, if you look it up, it's going to be 5,280 feet. So 5,280 feet in 1 mile. Okay. When we multiply across like this, the miles will cancel out, and we're going to have everything over 1. So we're just basically going to do 3 times 5,280. Now, since this is less than 333 here, 3 times whatever this amount is going to be less than 1,000. 3 times this amount is going to give me 15,000. So we're going to have 15,000. And then let's do the 280 times 3. So 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 8 is 24. So write the 4 down here, bring up the 2. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So you have 840 here. So 15,840 feet for this first one. Okay, second one. Mount Everest is 29,032 feet high. How many miles high is Mount Everest? To the nearest hundredth of a mile. So we're going to do, for this one, let's bring it up. We're going to do 29,032 feet times, remember there's 5,280 feet in 1 mile. So the feet cancel out here. And now we've got to divide 5,280, or divide rather 29,032 by 5,280. And when we do that, we get 5 point, I did this on my calculator, 5.498. And it keeps going after that, but 5.498 miles, and we want to round this to the nearest hundredth of a mile. Well, we have an 8 here, meaning we're going to have to round the 9 up. But if we round the 9 up, really it rounds this up. So it's, if we're rounding to the nearest hundredth, we're going to round to 5.50 miles. Okay, let's look at the next one. How many centimeters are there in 5 feet? So we have 5 feet. And we're going to multiply, well, in 1 foot, there is 12 inches. And in 1 inch, there are 2.54 centimeters. All right, so when we go through this, some of the units are going to cancel out. The feet are going to cancel out here. The inches are going to cancel out here. And we're going to be left with centimeters. Okay, so what does this equal? Well, we only have 1s on the bottom, so whatever we multiply across will be our number. So let's do that. So I'm taking my handy phone calculator, doing 5 times 12 times 2.54, and I get 152.4. No need to round. So 152.4 centimeters. We're already to the nearest tenth of a centimeter. Okay, let's look at the next one. All right, Jimmy weighs 120 pounds. What is his weight in kilograms to the nearest kilogram? Okay, so we're going to do 120 pounds times, well, there's 2.2 pounds per kilogram. Okay, so what units are going to cancel out? Well, the pounds are going to cancel out. All right, and then we're going to multiply across here, And we're going to do 120 times 1 is just 120 over 2.2. That's in kilograms. Okay, so let's do 120 divided by 2.2. We get 54.54 kilograms, and the 54 is repeating. But we want to the nearest kilogram. So we're going to look here at the tenths place, which there's a 5. That means we have to round this number up. So our solution to the nearest kilogram is going to be 55 kilograms. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe. Also, if you'd like to support the channel in an alternative way, I'll leave my link to my TeacherPay teacher store in the description. And also there's a link to more math materials via my website in the description as well. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.